Are you looking for the best tankless water heaters? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best tankless water heaters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Rinnai RU180 in Tankless Water Heater. The Rinnai RU180 in high-efficiency water heater delivers impressive performance, with a maximum flow rate of 10 GPM, which is enough to supply hot water for up to 5 appliances at once. Its 180,000 BTU maximum is more than enough to ensure that a household of teens and adults can all complete their morning routines without any drop in water temperature. Even though it's a natural gas model, the Energy Star certified unit has an efficiency rating of between 93 and 96%. This is mostly due to its condensing feature, which captures as much heat from the exhaust as possible before it's released through the ventilation system, maximizing energy use. What our tester says: when it came time to replace my old tank water heater, my plumber highly recommended Rinnai due to its reputation for quality. He determined the 180,000 BTU 10 GPM model best fit my family's hot water needs. The appliance heats the water quickly and is easily adjustable via the straightforward display on the front of the machine. I especially like that it doesn't take up floor space in my basement, it fits neatly on the wall. There is a slight delay in hot water delivery first thing in the morning, when the tank has not been used for hours. However, once it's activated, the hot water is readily available for the rest of the day. Debbie Wolf, Product Reviews Tester and Writer. Number 2. Rheem RTX13 Electric Tankless Water Heater. This budget-friendly Rheem RTX13 tankless electric water heater boasts an impressive 99% efficiency rating, meaning nearly all the energy you pay for goes directly into heating water, rather than being lost through ventilation, which can happen with gas models. While it isn't suited for large households with multiple fixtures running at once, its 3.17 GPM maximum flow rate is more than adequate for an apartment or cottage with 1 or 2 occupants. Combined with its low price, and the generally lower cost of electric tankless units compared with gas, this model offers a great value. Number 3. Stiebel Eltron Tempra 36 Plus Tankless Water Heater. The Stiebel Eltron Tempra 36 Plus is a high-efficiency tankless water heater that delivers a 99% efficiency rating, silent operation, and a maximum flow rate of 7.5 gallons per minute in warmer climates. Weighing roughly 19 pounds, it's small and lightweight, making it easy to wall mount. Like all electric tankless water heaters, this model offers immediate cost savings on both the unit price and installation costs. The unit's advanced flow control feature ensures water stays consistently hot during ongoing use, ensuring showers don't cool down or fluctuate in temperature. A bold digital display shows accumulated cost savings, allowing you to see how much you've saved by upgrading from an inefficient model. Number 4. Takagi TH3DVN Condensing Gas Tankless Water Heater. With an impressive 10 GPM flow rate, the Takagi tankless water heater provides an ample supply of hot water for an entire household's needs. This means you can say goodbye to inconvenient cold showers and hello to endless hot water on demand. Depending on your area's inlet temperature, this high-capacity unit can accommodate 3 to 4 bathrooms at once. Beyond its powerful output, the Takagi unit is engineered for energy efficiency. Its condensing technology recaptures and reuses exhaust heat, which maximizes energy use and reduces utility bills, all while offering an eco-friendly way to heat water without compromising on performance. Number 5. Rheem RTX36 Electric Tankless Water Heater. The Rheem RTX36 Electric Tankless Water Heater is a highly efficient and compact unit built to meet demanding hot water needs. As a non-condensing system, it delivers an impressive 99.8% energy efficiency rating, which helps reduce energy consumption and lower utility costs. Despite measuring just 18.25 inches high by 21.63 inches wide, it can deliver a maximum flow rate of up to 8.8 GPM, making it a strong choice for apartments, condos, and smaller homes that still need reliable hot water performance. The unit's digital temperature control is easy to set via dial, ensuring the water stays at your preferred temperature. Moreover, the Rheem RTX36 features self-modulation technology that automatically adjusts its heating power to match hot water demand, maximizing efficiency and preventing unnecessary energy use.